People from all over Delhi will come here to have a look at the building and will later regret why couldn't they be part of this project earlier.
One fine day, we saw a newspaper add an article about this project happening in central Delhi, and we were like, why not just have a look and see what's gonna happen? And we really like Delhi is our home, so we thought like, why go anywhere else if something like this is coming in central Delhi?
I'm Ritu Durga, and I've just bought a home here, and I'm really very excited to actually just move into this place now.
How did you know about this project? How did you come to hear about us?
It's everywhere now. The complete name of Reja Developers, the Sky Villas, it's everywhere now in Delhi.
So whenever I find something luxurious in West Delhi, I guess Leela is the name which reflects repeatedly on my social media or offline.
I think I've been hearing about this project for the longest time, and I absolutely love what is going on here and what Mr. Naveen ji is aiming to achieve with such great heights, because I don't think so anybody has done this before in Delhi NCR especially, and to imagine a 45-story building in the heart of Delhi, it's just amazing.
How do you think about the interior of this residential area?
I have been through with the entrance only. It is amazingly decorated, very royal and luxurious feel.
I am Lalit Kumar and she is my wife Kritika Gangwani, and we have bought this unit number 504, 4-bedroom unit. In first meeting I bought this flat. I was very impressed. The floor to floor height is very good, 13 feet I think. The carpet area is very good. Swimming pool is there for 4th.
Do you think this project will define the future of luxury living in Delhi?
I think luxury is not 5-star hotels anymore. I think luxury is something that you experience in everyday life. I really want to come home to this place. I really want to come home to these standards which, the Sky Villas is trying to achieve and is trying to set.
I think people should see this project as a purpose of living or purpose of investing.
No, it's live over here.
To live here. Since I'm growing old, I thought, so I thought this thing will take care of my whole well-being.
I guess we can consider it for both options, because staying here gives you a premium feel in yourself, like coming back after your work and having such beautiful skyline views and airy environment. This is what you don't get usually in other parts of Delhi.
When we talk about the skyscrapers in New York, Dubai, and now we have it in Delhi, so why not definitely invest here?
How do you think living here would elevate in your lifestyle?
This having all the amenities like maybe gym, sports club, swimming pool.
There is a mall, a 7-star-ish mall which is coming around there.
हर चीज़ यहाँ अवेलेबल होगी, तो हमें कहीं बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. एक ही जगह पे रह के इतने सारे ऑप्शंस हमें मिलेंगे. तो ये मेरा बेस्ट ऑप्शन था फ्यूचर के लिए, कि मैं अपने बच्चे को फ्यूचर और इन्वेस्टमेंट दोनों पर्पस से मेरा यहाँ का ऑप्शन सबसे बेस्ट रहे.
This is bang on Patel Road. Because I live in West Delhi, I was born and brought up here.
The airport is nearby, the hospitals are nearby.
North Place is very near, Rolbagh is very near.
मुझे पता चला कि यहाँ हेलीपैड के लिए भी सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, ऊपर रेस्टोरेंट्स होंगे. बीइंग अ मदर, बीइंग अ वाइफ, मुझे लगता है कि हर लेडी का एक ड्रीम होता है कि उसकी जो प्रॉपर्टी हो ना, वहाँ से व्यू, वहाँ मतलब रहने का एक अपना ही मज़ा होना चाहिए.
I see myself picturing here, sitting with the view and basically just enjoying. And I think all the salon amenities that the project is providing right now as well, I think that's kind of exciting to see, and it's all free of cost, which is something very amazing. I would say as a girl, I think that's like a for sure thing to be.
If you want to live on top of the world, this is the right place. I guess that is something which defines true luxury, and Leela has created its brand in itself, so I guess the name is enough.
Naveen, since I know him personally, I feel that's the guy who would make dreams come true and possible.
If there is only one negative thing which you have ever heard about this project or you are feeling inside you.
Project is a bit slow, but I think now Mr. Raheja is intervening himself. So I think it will go fast from right now, and he has given that commitment that after 18 months we will get the possession of the flats.
Giving what Mr. Raheja has, promised to the people, rather than just chasing through it, and actually delivering what the vision has been throughout, is much more important than actually rushing any kind of handover to the buyers.
What surety do you give to your clients who are coming here?
The building says itself, the name says itself. Raheja has already delivered so many projects as so far. So I think Raheja is very renowned brand into the market.
What made you think of this project?
This is a first PPP project with Government of India, which is aimed at giving in situ housing to the slum dwellers of my country. In the year 2009, there was an advertisement in the Times of India that developers can develop or redevelop the slums. So there I had opted for it because the transformation of the country can happen only when it is inclusive. This is one building which is more than 2.6 times taller than Qutub Minar. The most coveted property which we are creating and which is now likely to get complete also, which is very near to completion.
One promise that you are going to give them and one thing that you want to motivate them. Can you just share that with us?
They are going to be proud owners and going to be shifting in their apartments very soon, which will be the most coveted and prestigious project of India.